Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example on order of operation. In this example, we are most using concept of exponent. So how to solve the exponent first and then division. So now uh, first we simplify the exponent inside the round bracket, double round bracket. Okay, so now here round bracket first open, round bracket open, second 3 minus 1 is 2, and round bracket close, second power 2, round bracket close, first power 2, divide 2 power 3, 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so now here round bracket open first, 2 to the 4, and round bracket open, close first, and power 2 divide 8. Now 4 for the 16, so here write 16 divide 8. So final answer, when 16 divide 8, so we will get the answer is 2. So here 2 is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell